Sinorock is an experienced supplier of anchoring and drilling products with over 20 years experience, which is located in Luoyang City. It is specialized in the development and sales of anchoring and drilling products. Through 20 years' efforts, Sinorock products have been exported to more than 70 countries. The company has passed ISO 9001 and SGS certification, and most series of products pass CE certification, owing to reliable products and excellent services. Sinorock has one great reputation all over the world. We supply a full range of anchoring and drilling products including self-drilling anchor system, top hammer rock drilling tools, DTH rock drilling tools, etc., GFRP rock bolt. Sinorock has professional product research and development team, which makes customized service available. Sinorock aims to become a brand globally in geotechnical industry and provides one-stop solution of anchoring and drilling product for customers all over the world. The factory located in Changzhou City with a total area of 10,000 square meters. The factory has dozens of processing equipment such as CNC lathes, CNC milling machines, CNC drilling machines, CNC sawing machines, cyclone milling machines, radial drilling machines, sandblasting machines, spraying production lines. The factory also has multiple automatic production lines. With advanced production equipment, Sinorock is dedicated to be your ideal supplier of anchoring and drilling products.